Hi everyone, welcome to another home edition of Word of the Day. Given the context of what's happening in the US with the Black Lives Matter movement and the fight for racial equality and justice, we thought it only appropriate to do the word justice this time around, especially since we're being asked by people to define and translate words that are relevant to what's happening right now in our communities. So let's look at the word justice in English, which comes via Middle French and Latin, meaning upright, fair, morally sound. Now, the Armenian word, so of course justice has two contexts, right? Justice in terms of the quality of being fair and just, but also the exercise of authority and the vindication of right by assigning rewards or punishment. So in the first sense of the quality of being fair and just, we would say artarution, and classical orthography like this. Let me transliterate artarution. So this comes from the root art with the help of the infix ad. Art means form, means order, also being straight. So think of, for example, the way we say iron in Armenian, artuk is literally making something straight. Now, if you take that literal sense of straightness, uprightness, and apply it to a moral context, being upright in a moral sense, you'll get kind of this sense of justice, right? Artarution. Now, when we talk about that kind of second context of justice, meaning the exercise of authority in determining what is just or unjust, in Armenian we would use artarution, classical orthography, and let me transliterate artarution. And I'm hoping a lot of you are already recognizing certain roots. So we have art and art, like we discussed here. We have a as the connector plus sign, and then dot, the root, many of you will know from judgment or judge, or kind of conveying judgment. And then utsun is your suffix for abstract nouns. So justice in the form of the exercise of authority in determining what is just in Armenian is conveyed by the judgment of justice. Yeah, so for example, the Ministry of Justice in Armenia is Artaradatutsyan Nakhararutiuna, right? So using this kind of second variant. That's that for today. If you are interested in certain words to help you make sense of what's happening right now, please reach out to us, leave a comment, and we'll respond.